Hey guys, this is WNYSirenGuy here with a special test of my Mini Sterling Model M. As you can see, I rigged it up with this piece of cardboard and towel to hold it in place. And I'm going to try and see if you can hear just the 16-port side of the siren. Then I'll switch it around and see if you can hear the 8-port, or both, or see if it makes any difference. So here we go. Okay, I switched the siren around, and now let's try the 8-port side. Alright, and now I switched it back around so the 16-port side is closest to the camera. I'm about 8 feet away from the siren, and now we're going to set it off without the cardboard in the way and see how it sounds. Here we go. Alright, I could definitely hear a difference when I had it covered with the cardboard and the 8-port side was facing me. It definitely sounded a bit more raspy to me. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.